Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Jamaican dollar appreciated by 0.2% at the end of the first quarter this year. In its latest report, the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, says at the end of March 2024, the average exchange rate was $154.70 Jamaican to $1. This was a 25-cent appreciation for the Jamaican currency compared to the end of December 2023. EPOC says the appreciation in the local currency was mainly driven by robust foreign exchange inflows, as well as increased demand for Jamaican dollar liquidity to meet tax obligations. Meanwhile, the Jamaican dollar lost 5 cents against the U.S. currency at the close of trading on Monday. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.67. The Canadian is being sold for $115.90, $196.44 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.97. The Agriculture Ministry says it is channeling resources into the development of the local pepper industry. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says 2 greenhouses are being established at the Bodos Research Center in St. Catherine to ensure farmers receive the best quality seeds.
To really look at the rapid multiplication scheme for Scotch bonnet seeds. And we've moved our seed production from 20,000 seeds, which was last year, to the year before, to 50,000 seeds last year. And that is work in progress. We've also established a new greenhouse at the Mount Pelier Research Station, again, to drive the production of red pepper so that we can increase the amounts that we're supplying to our farmers, that we're supplying to our companies. We're also working with the FAO on our Scotch bonnet because, again, we want to ensure that we maintain that authentic Scotch bonnet flavor profile. We're establishing a database, we're training 25 people, we're spending with the FAO about $1 million United States dollars on that.
Now, Mr. Green also says it is investing in support for the expanded production of some local foods.
We want to establish at least 1,000 acres of ackee over the next 2 years, and we will provide the planting material free of cost. We want to put in 1,000 acres of breadfruit. Again, the Ministry of Agriculture is looking to provide the planting material for all of that. So we are trying to ensure that we're facilitating growth.
Now, he was speaking at the rebranding of Spurtree Spices last week. The company also launched a number of new products. Let's head to the stock market now. The JSE index lost 131 points today, while the junior market index declined by 20 points. Among the 48 winners were JPS 7% shares, General Accident Insurance Company Jamaica, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Margaritaville Turks, and Epley 7.5% shares due 2024. The 43 decliners were led by JMMB Group 7% shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference shares, Pan Jamaica Group, Epley 7.25% shares, and Cargo Handlers. Now 24 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. That's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news. That's right after the break.